This Qagea LED light set is like a sunrise inside your fridge. It comes with 1W10515058 light and 2W10515057 lights. These bright LEDs replace old, dim lights in your Kenmore, Whirlpool LED fridge lights. Installation is simple, so you can quickly see all your cheese and leftovers. Think of it as turning on a light in a dim room. Suddenly, everything is clear and easy to find. These Kenmore, Whirlpool LED fridge lights are compatible with many brands. They work with Kenmore, Maytag, Whirlpool, and KitchenAid refrigerators. If your fridge light is acting up, these are a great fix. They replace part numbers like AP6022533 and PS11755867. It is like finding the right lids for your containers. These lights fit just right. They offer good support by making it easier to see inside your refrigerator. Overall, this Qagea LED light set is a worthwhile purchase. It brings new light to your refrigerator operations. The LED technology also means lower energy consumption compared to older bulbs. While it won't affect the weather outside, it will brighten your day every time you open the fridge. For anyone needing to replace their Kenmore, Whirlpool LED fridge lights, this set is a bright idea. Pros: compatible models, easy to replace, LED lighting, bright light, energy efficient, longer lifespan, good replacement, multiple pieces, fits many brands, modern lighting. Cons: lights might not last long, some report flickering, can be dimmer than original, quality control issues seen, may stop working quickly, reported short lifespan, could be unreliable. Some units are faulty, potential for early burnout, instant performance features. LED refrigerator light includes 1W10515058, includes 2W10515057, compatible with Kenmore, compatible with Maytag, compatible with Whirlpool, compatible with KitchenAid. For fridge freezers, replaces AP6022533, replaces AP6022534. This Qagea LED light kit is for fixing the lights inside your fridge and freezer. It comes with one bigger light and two smaller lights. These lights will work in refrigerators made by Kenmore, Maytag, Whirlpool, and KitchenAid. If your old light has the numbers AP6022533, AP6022534, PS11755867, PS11755866, or 3,021,142 on it, then this LED light kit can replace it. This Qagea LED light set includes 1W10515058 and 2W10515057 lights. Designed as replacements for Kenmore, Maytag, Whirlpool, and KitchenAid refrigerators, offering easy installation, bright and energy-efficient LED lighting with a potentially longer lifespan. However, some users have reported that these lights might not last long, can flicker, may be dimmer than the originals, and could be unreliable with potential quality control issues leading to early burnout or inconsistent performance.